So you bought a new ceiling fan, and it was supposed to have a 10-year LED light in it. But you go to use the switch one day, and there's nothing, or it barely works. Well, I'm going to fix mine right now, and you can see how I do it. So stick around, Steelhead Station. So the light kit in our Patriot Lighting Grand Haven ceiling fan from Menards, it's about 1.5 years old, just out of warranty. One day the toddler was playing with the switch and it would no longer light up. And I thought maybe it was a switch. I tested the switch was fine. And I got up on my little giant extendable ceiling fan or ladder. It's not made for ceiling fan, but I need it for that because the ceiling fan is about 12 feet in the air. It's way up there. And took the main cover off, and you can see this shining down. And these actually on high were just lit up. These are like the little tiny LEDs all over it. So it's not getting enough power, and I believe some people said there's a driver or a capacitor or something in here is not working right. Blue. So you cannot buy these at Menards. They don't sell them. They tell you to call Patriot Lighting, which is just a company that makes ceiling fans for Menards. And they send you the whole light kit like this. You call, tell them what happened. If it's under warranty, they should send you this for free. But since mine was about 6 months out of warranty, guess what? $15 for this, $15 for shipping, $30 for something that was supposed to last 20 years. So I'm going to get the ceiling light out and we're going to take it down, put this up, see if it fixes it. Turn it off for Daddy. Good job.